Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today, we have a very special one that I'm very excited for. We are going to be watching Seulgi's solo debut, right? Solo debut, 28 Reasons. Now that is a lot of reasons, and I'm very intrigued to learn what they are. Seulgi and Irene's Naughty was a turning point for me because I could not believe how sexy they were, how well they danced, the beat, the energy. I just think they were amazing. And I feel like Seulgi is the kind of woman that I, as a gay man, can get behind, if that makes sense. So, hi Seulgi. Power lines. That looks like Charlie XCX's and Rina Sawayama's video. What's wrong, girl?
Your brother 그만 멈춰 또 깊어져도 못 느껴 my pleasure 짓궂은 반칙 떨리는 눈빛 그런 널 보는 게 참 재밌어 웃겨 I'm breaking every rule 자꾸만 괴롭히고 싶은 걸 28 reasons 몰라도 돼 나쁜 의도 없어 내게 도무지 28 reasons 다 아는데 왜 또 다시 내게 기대
She's running!
무기력한 너를 봐 feel so bad 정확하게 보여줄게 I'm not the devil 너
That outfit.
I don't care 망가질수록 나를
Is she dancing with herself? I love this verse. I love this verse so much.
멋대로 부숴 잔뜩 안 들렁거려 더 웃음이 나 사랑이란 그런 sweet and bitter 널 망치고 구원해 make your dreams
She
come
looks...
true
Oh my god. The chain?
내고 다시 줄게 너의 수
28 reasons
몰라도 돼 나쁜 의도 없어 내게 도무지 28 reasons 다
I love the makeup that's just the red under the eyes.
다시 내게 기대 낯선 그림 무기력한 너를 봐 feel so bad 정확하게 보여줄게 I'm not the devil 너 것도 방황해 I don't care 망가질수록 나를
It's so dramatic.
I'm swearing 잊어 욕심 맞았고 아이처럼 장난쳐 괴롭혀 널 그림자처럼 난 속삭이지 나는 네 어둠과 빛인 걸
Is it?
You're in danger
I don't feel grown.
but it's okay You're grown now reasons 몰라도 돼 나쁜 의도 없어 내게 도무지 28 reasons 다 아는데 왜 또 다시 내게 기대
She looks so good in all these shots. I can't believe it. She's an actor. She's an actor. Okay, wait, hold up. Let's just read this now. Good and evil people are not easily distinguished. Good and evil coexist within one person. Even if one seems good, greed and temptation always exist together inside. We simply try to resist from being captivated by evil. She was so right for that. Interesting. Kind of what I expected, kind of not what I expected. The song, I have to listen to it again. I wasn't quite sold at first, and then I got into it a little bit more. What I will say, obviously, Seulgi looks amazing. She looks amazing. All of the weird little kinky details with the chains and her like holding herself. I don't know. Big fan of all of that. Love the verses and the weird they use for the verse. And then I just feel like, I don't know. The song didn't go in the direction that I expected with the chorus, and it kind of stayed a little bit more. It stayed a little bit more melodic and a little bit slower than what I initially thought. That's why I was a little bit confused. But it does bring the drama and it brings the strings, and I feel like the emotion of it is there. You know what I mean? The emotion of it is there. Seulgi knows how to sell the emotion. She knows how to sell the emotion. I don't think this is a bad song. I was unexpectedly thrown in a different direction. It almost reminds me of Rosé's On the Ground, both in terms of like the instrumentals as well as the video, you know? But let's watch it again. Very dramatic. We have the rain. We're in the middle of nowhere. She wakes up. Where is she? She's lost. She's lost and she's sad. That's so cool. I kiss your brother? I kiss your brother? Why isn't she kissing me?
I kiss your brother.
That bass. And it's so, like, everything's so held back, and you just have that, like, slightly crunchy little wobbly bass happening at the bottom. So good. And then we have a beautiful bridge. Very short bridge. 28 reasons yeah, and then here, and like here we have like the chorus is almost like it's giving me like an older it's giving me like an old American girl group almost, you know, and it's got that string going and it has like the little beat happening, but it still stays pretty chill and kind of laid back. I don't know, that's what it reminds me of. Oh, she looks so sexy. I just am obsessed with just having the slight rouge and then the red right underneath the eyes. I just think it's such a good look. And it looks so good with the eye color as well. You shouldn't care, babe. You can find someone better. This outfit is so amazing. I just think it's so cool. The belts across here and across here. I mean, it's been done before. We've had the belts before. But I just think the look is really good. And with the big, big shoes, these big black boots that she has, I just think it's dominatrix. And now we've got slightly more beat, just a little bit more beat. I want to be her. And can we talk about this? She's hanging on here, and she is the one keeping her from falling, but also the one who could let her fall. So like we have her innocent side, I guess here in her white dress, almost falling into despair. But then we have this version of her that maybe looks a bit threatening, right? Maybe a bit threatening, but actually this is her freer sexuality and emotion that she's allowed to express, and that is what am I talking about? What am I talking about? That's like Stacy, Beautiful Monster. The dance is also I like how much, it's just, you know, it's a bit sexy, which I think is great. And I don't think the chorus melody is the most catchy. Personally. I love these shots. It's so pretty. Because like there's not so much happening in this video. Like, I mean, it's not like a crazy concept, but just having that like the concrete and like the factories and like these industrial spaces and like these kind of static shots of her floating in the bed and stuff. I think it. Okay, so this is where I start getting won over a little bit. I mean, this song is like, it's almost a bit cheesy, like the way these kind of bridges and, you know, the pre-chorus comes in and stuff. It's a little bit, you know, but are we gonna complain? Looking stunning. Oh.
You're in danger, but it's okay. You're grown up.
That is so funny. That's so cool. Come on, Voguing. Yeah, okay, I mean, I'm not sure about these white laces in her hair. Just what, like 3 white laces? For what? For what? What's happening? Amazing. 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 Cool. Okay. Okay. So I think overall I like the song. I don't think it's my favorite song, and I think I was a little bit disappointed that Seulgi wasn't giving us like a hyper pop, weird bass, minimal thing, which is what I thought at the beginning, which made me very excited. But having listened to this song now again, it's got a little something. It's a little bit held back, but it's got that drama, it has the strings, it has Seulgi obviously selling it. And like, the way that the music kind of builds up and stuff towards the end, and she's really going for it, and like singing those high notes, shouting, it fits. It fits. It sounds really good. And it kind of brings the energy to the song that I wasn't sure was going to be there first, and I was a little bit confused. Did you like Seulgi's debut? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a like. If you would like to see more videos by me, you can also subscribe. It's right down there. So I will see you very soon, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!
I kiss your brother.